In this quick guide, I'll be showing you Operation Black Gold for White Lotus. In this, we need to kill 3 enemies in Hafid Port, then Rohan Oil, and finally Sattiq Cave Complex all in one deployment. So this is all around the Al Mazrah map. This mission should be relatively simple. Let's give it a shot. So obviously you'll be doing a lot of traveling around. Heck, you may not even need to get out of your vehicle, just drive through these areas, get kills, and that's pretty much it. You could actually probably speedrun it that way with a really quick vehicle. Let's go ahead and grab a vehicle to start this Operation Black Gold mission, and luckily we got spawned somewhat close to Hafid Port, which is great. We'll start by heading to Hafid Port on the far middle west of the map. I'm not entirely too sure if you can do this in any certain order, but I think I'll go by what they're saying. So, first of all, Hafid Port. I don't even think we need to technically enter the area, but we can probably come nearby and do things that way. Cool, well I killed 2 player enemies, but oh, that did count. Awesome. So with a bit of progress made and a free kitted out Signal 50 from the kind gentleman, let's grab the final kill, whether it's AI or players, and get out of here. Okay, so next, Rohan Oil. You'll find this all the way in the north center of the map, all the way up here. The best way to get there is probably by the train tracks, heading all the way up and directly to where you want to be. There's tons of AI in the area, though do note early game, when you're traveling around these specific areas, there'll be tons and tons of players as they're probably hanging around the train for the loot that's on it. Okay, so now that we're inside of Rohan Oil, we can go anywhere and get these kills. I'll usually head over to the south section here where there are players. That's pretty cool. So there's our first kill, and it's a player. Sweet. There's a second kill. Thanks for the loot, brother, and I'm off. Getting the third and final kill, now we need to head to the Sattiq Cave Complex, which is over here in the middle south area of the map, though it is very, very dangerous, so keep that in mind. You'll probably want to stay up on the hills and shoot your way down instead of just driving into it like a madman. So heading towards the Sattiq Cave Complex, I don't even think we need to go close to it. This whole general area should probably count, and there's lots of people out around in the outskirts. Yeah, that definitely counts. Cool. All right, so here's some AI. 1, 2, and 3. Done. That's the entire mission. Operation Black Gold complete. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.